I'm going to sing a Christian version of the 12 Days of Christmas by soundtrack. And I'm sorry I wasn't able to be at the refuge today, so I've sent this to Colleen for you, hoping that she'll be able to play it. On the first day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me salvation full and free. On the second day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the third day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me peace in my heart, everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the fourth day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me love for all men, peace in my heart, everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the fourth day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me joy for my soul. This is fifth, I'm sorry. Love for all men, peace in my heart, everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the sixth day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me power from on high, joy for my soul, love for all men, peace in my heart, everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the seventh day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me a body glorified, power from on high, joy for my soul, love for all men, peace in my heart, everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the eighth day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me a robe and a crown, a body glorified, power from on high, joy for my soul, love for all men, peace in my heart, everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the ninth day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me mansions above, a robe and a crown, a body glorified, power from on high, joy for my soul, love for all men, peace in my heart, everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the 10th day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me streets of pure gold, mansions above, a robe and a crown, a body glorified, power from on high, joy for my soul, love for all men, peace in my heart, everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the 11th day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me a new song to sing, streets of pure gold, mansions above, a robe and a crown, a body glorified, power from on high, joy for my soul, love for all men, peace in my heart, everlasting life and salvation full and free. On the 12th day of Christmas, Jesus gave to me eternity to praise, a new song to sing, streets of pure gold, mansions above, a robe and a crown, a body glorified, power from on high, joy for my soul, love for all men, peace in my heart, everlasting life, and salvation full and free.